Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a simple Python program to find the words in a list that are longer than a certain given length n. This program helps you explore about the length method within the list and also the creation of the list, and also you can find for loop within this program. Okay, so without any delay, let us get into a PyCharm and start writing the program. I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us create a list containing different strings. Okay, I'm having my list1 is equals to, lists are always created using square braces. Okay, and the strings must always be written within quotations, even within the list or within the tuple or within any dictionary. Okay, so firstly let me create some strings within my list. Let us say John, Lisa, and let's say some Abraham, and let us get some, let us use some string. Okay, now I want to check if any element contain number of words greater than 5. Okay, I want my strings which contain more than 5 letters. For element in list, we are traversing over the elements within our list which we have just created, the list1. Okay, if I'm checking if the length of the element is greater than 5 or not. Then of element greater than 5, I want to print those elements. Okay, print element. So this is our program. We are done. Now let us run. Okay, yeah, we have two elements which have length greater than 5, right? So now I don't want them to be like printed separately. I want them to be printed as a separate list. Okay, so for that I'm going to create another list. This is the empty list, and now I'm going to append my elements, list2.append element. Okay, I'll run the program. Sorry, I haven't yet printed list2, right? Print list2. Yeah, I'll run it. Yeah, this we got a list with elements which have length greater than 5. So this is a program. I hope you liked it. If you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel for more Python videos to learn Python from the beginner stage. And if you have any doubts, feel free to reach me out in the comment section. Take your Python buddies to learn Python along with them. The teamwork is always good. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.